The Ceiling Fan Championship is not sponsored by a bunny, riding Stitch, riding a ladybird, riding a great ball. It is sponsored by Stranded Aliens Need Technical Assistance, and the Family Fund Trust needs your assistance to help them raise £3,000. The Family Fund Trust is a charity which supports families raising disabled and severely ill children in the UK. Thank you for your support. Okay, welcome back to the Ceiling Fan Championship 2016. It is round 4, and we have our crowd of regulars. And with it being round 4, we have the last of this year's heats. So, let's see who our contestants are. It's me, Mario! Yes, I think everyone knows who you are. But would you like to introduce yourself? Well, I'm a plumber, and a footballer, and a galactic explorer, and I bash monkeys, and eat pizza, and that is everything I do. Oh wait, no! I also drive the go-karts. Meow! Okay, and up next we have Diddy Kong. I'm gonna eat all the bananas. Okay. And we have Donkey Kong. Say hello, Donkey Kong. Say goodbye, Donkey Kong. And last but not least, we have Supersonic. I think he's got a bit of a cold or something. He sounds very different. And this week at the controls we have Winnie the Pooh. Say hi, Winnie the Pooh. Hello, I'm going to press this switch and I'm going to get honey. Yes, we did agree to pay you in honey. Hooray! And my glamorous assistant is here to assist me with the toys, and she's wearing exactly the same clothes as last week. Aren't you?
Yeah.
Have you got changed at all since last week?
No.
No? So, do you need like a new set of clothes, or I don't know? You don't smell or anything?
No.
No? Alright, fair enough. If you're happy wearing the same clothes 8 days in a row, let's get on with it. So, we have contestant number 4, Supersonic. Let's put you on there, Supersonic. Oh, don't fall off. Right, okay, who's next?
Donkey Kong.
We have, Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong is contestant number 3. Right, we'll put contestant number 4 on last, I think. Let's have Diddy Kong.
Like, yeah, in front of Donkey Kong.
Yeah. Climb on, Diddy Kong. Don't fall off. You want those bananas. And we have...
Mario?
And we have a Mario. Oh, there he is, flying. Ah! Oh, and falling. He's a falling with style. Okay. Yeah, and we have Supersonic back again to take his place on the fan. Keeps attacking the camera. Oh, stop spinning, ceiling fan. You're meant to do that in a minute.
Is this just quite strong?
Okay. Alright, Winnie the Pooh, press the button in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's level pegging now. Oh!
Who won? Was it Mario?
I don't know, I think we're going to have to take that to an action replay. Well, I think that was a little too close to call, but Supersonic and Diddy definitely fell off first. So, Diddy, how do you think you could have done better? I don't know. I just want to eat the bananas. Okay, and Supersonic, how do you think you could have done better? Okay, I believe I may have been misinformed. And on to this week's undecided winner. So far, it comes down to either Donkey Kong or Mario, a rivalry that goes back, 30 years, do you reckon? Well, I don't know who's gonna win, but I know we're going to have to do it again. Yes, and Donkey Kong? Wise words. But I think this would also be a good opportunity for Stitch and Angel's grudge match.
Did someone say grudge match?
I'm gonna beat you this time again.
Alrighty then. Well, we've skipped loading. We've just put everyone straight on. It's a double contest. It is Donkey Kong versus Mario and Angel versus Stitch. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's level piggy. Whoa! Oh, he's at it again. Well, it's not the same as his previous record, but we enjoyed it. So we'll start off with the clear winner of the grudge match, Stitch, once again.
I'm gonna win the fudge, and I'm going to be the best. Angel? I'm gonna win. Ah!
You beat me! You beat me again! You cheated! That was mine. It was my victory. I was gonna get a place in the final.
Alright, calm down, Angel.
I'm not sore because I know I'm gonna win.
And lastly, the main event of the day, Mario and Donkey Kong. I think we're going to have to take that to a replay. And we can clearly see there. That blue and red blur is Mario leaving his blade, while Donkey Kong is still on his. Aww. So, Donkey Kong, any words of wisdom? Any plans for next week? Very good. Well, so we'll see you next time on the Ceiling Fan Championship when our finalists will be all the way from Sinnoh region, Arceus. When I win, I am going to have a fudge disco! Whee! Okay, and all the way from the Alola region, Stitch.
I'm not from the Alola region, I'm from Hawaii. They're completely different places, but still, I'm going to win.
Fine. And last week's winner, a brown and white bunny. Okay. And this week's winner, Donkey Kong. So we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye. And last but not least, we have Supersonic.
Boy.